Hey everyone, welcome back to TechWhistle. Today, I'm excited to show you how to install Stable Diffusion on your local machine. This powerful AI model lets you generate amazing images right from your computer. I'll walk you step by step through the installation process so you can get started quickly and easily. I'm using an Intel Core i5-14600K CPU paired with 32 gigabytes of RAM, and for the GPU, I have an NVIDIA RTX 3060. First, you'll need to head over to the GitHub page for the Stable Diffusion WebUI by Automatic 11111. Once you're there, you can download the latest release and follow along with me as we set everything up step by step. There are two options for installing Stable Diffusion. Option 1, you can download the entire package as a zip file, which is quick and easy. Option 2, you can clone the GitHub repository directly and set it up manually if you prefer more control. I'll walk you through both methods so you can pick the one that works best for you. All right, if you choose option 1, head over to the GitHub repository and download the release package for NVIDIA GPUs. Just look for the SD.WebUI.zip file on that page. Once it's downloaded, extract all the contents, then run the update.bat file. After that, simply launch the run.bat file, and you'll have Stable
Exactly.
Diffusion
And
up
once you've got
running.
that zip file, you just
It's really the
extract it to a
easiest
folder
way.
on your computer.
Just make sure everything
After
goes
that,
smoothly
you'll open a
and you'll be
terminal
all
in that
set.
folder and run the script that comes with it, usually something like WebUI.zip on Windows. Once it runs, it'll set up all the dependencies, and you'll be good to go. If any issues pop up, we can troubleshoot them too. Exactly. Right. Exactly. So
Next, let's go through the second method to install Stable Diffusion on Windows. First, you'll need to install Python version 3.10.6. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path during installation. Next, you'll install Git so you can clone the Stable Diffusion WebUI repository using the git clone command. Once that's done, simply run the WebUI user.bat file. But make sure you do this without administrator privileges.
yes,
And that's it.
exactly.
You'll
For the
have
second
Stable
method, you want to
Diffusion
make sure
running on your
Python is
system.
installed, preferably a version like 3.10 or new. Exactly. That's right. Once you've cloned it, you can
After trying to install Stable Diffusion on my computer, I ran into a couple of issues, so I wanted to share how I fixed them. First, I kept getting an error where it couldn't install the clip package.
Yes.
Specifically, it said there was no Setup Tools module. I resolved this by replacing the clip package with an updated version. So I installed it manually, and it worked fine.
Ah, that makes sense. Yeah, sometimes the default clip package isn't compatible. Exactly. Once you swap out the clip package, save the changes, and then try running. Yeah,
The second issue was with the repository. It couldn't find the Stable Diffusion repo, and the
exactly.
git
So
clone
once you
failed.
switch to that specific,
After some research, I found that others were using a specific commit hash to clone the
yep, once,
repository. And once I did that, it worked perfectly.
right.
So, if you run into these issues, you can try these solutions as well. Yeah, so today I showed you how to install Stable Diffusion. I hope this really helps, and I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to follow me for more updates. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into AI, innovation, and system design. Good luck, and bye for now.